Students, today's topic is Australia, its location and political divisions. So now we shall see where it is on the map. On the world map, Australia lies here. Here it is highlighted in red color, which is the smallest continent of the world and covers nearly 5.2% of the total area of the world. As you can see here, it completely lies in the eastern and southern hemispheres. Tropic of Capricorn almost passes to the middle of the continent. And if we talk about its latitudinal and longitudinal extent, here I've tried to show the meridians and the latitudes here. So Australia extends from 10 degrees south to 44 degrees south latitudes and 112 degree east to 154 degree east longitudes. Australia, along with New Zealand and some neighboring islands, is termed as Australasia or Oceania. Now, talking about its discovery, in 17th century, a Dutch navigator named Abel Tasman. He sailed around the southern oceans in 1642, after whose name the island of Tasmania and Tasman Sea have been named. And a century later, Captain James Cook set out from England, reached the Botany Bay near Sydney, and hoisted the flag of England there and claimed it for England in 1788. So that was a brief history about its discovery. Now we shall talk about its boundaries. Australia is bounded by water bodies from all sides. As you can see here, to the east it has South Pacific Ocean, to the west Indian Ocean. In the north it is bounded by Arafura Sea and Timor Sea. And in the south it has Southern Ocean, though the Southern Ocean is not directly in contact with the coast of Australia. So that was all about its location and boundaries. Now we shall talk about the political divisions of Australia. I've shown it in the same map. Australia has 6 states and 2 internal territories. So first, the 6 states. What are the 6 states? First, Victoria with its capital at Melbourne. New South Wales with capital at Sydney. Queensland, capital at Brisbane. South Australia, Adelaide. Western Australia with capital at Perth. And Tasmania with its capital Hobart. Besides this, it has 2 internal territories, namely the Northern Territory with its capital at Darwin and the Australian Capital Territory, which lies in the New South Wales, which contains Canberra, the capital of Australia. I'll show you the Australian Capital Territory in another map. Australian Capital Territory, an enclave within New South Wales. Here it is. See, it lies within New South Wales, containing Canberra, the capital of Australia. Alright. Now these internal territories Unlike the states, they don't have legislatives to make laws for them, so they are directly administered by the federal government there to make laws for it. And you must have noticed that the state borders of Australia are straight lines, except with some exception here. Okay, they are straight lines. The reason is that it has very less population. So borders are demarcated easily along lines of certain latitudes or longitudes. So that was all in this video today. We have seen the location and political divisions of Australia.